Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make ethereal pads. We'll cover the essential steps to create lush, atmospheric textures that can elevate your music. Ethereal pads are known for their ability to add depth and emotion, often sitting in the background to provide a rich sonic bed. We'll begin by selecting the right foundational sound and then explore how to shape it into something truly special. Let's dive in and start building those beautiful soundscapes. Next, let's focus on the core sound design. Layering multiple detuned oscillators is key to achieving that wide, rich texture. Try using 2 or 3 oscillators, each slightly detuned from the others. Then, apply a low-pass filter with a very slow attack and release envelope to gently open and close the sound. Adding subtle pitch modulation, perhaps with a slow LFO, can introduce organic movement and prevent the pad from sounding static. These steps build the foundation of your ethereal sound. Now, let's enhance our pad with essential effects. Reverb is absolutely crucial. Use a long, spacious reverb to place your pad in a vast environment. Experiment with decay times of 5 to 10 seconds. Next, a subtle delay can add rhythmic interest and further wash out the sound, making it feel even more expansive. Finally, a chorus or flanger effect will introduce a beautiful shimmer and widen the stereo image, giving your pad that signature ethereal quality. These effects truly bring the sound to life. For the final touches in mixing, remember that ethereal pads usually sit in the background. Mix them quietly, allowing them to support the main elements of your track without overpowering them. Use EQ to gently roll off harsh highs and muddy lows, ensuring the pad occupies its own space in the frequency spectrum. A little compression can help smooth out dynamics, but be gentle. And speaking of upgrades, if you're looking to upgrade your clean game, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. These steps ensure your pad integrates perfectly into your mix.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.